Hi students, welcome. In this video we will understand about OSNAP command used in AutoCAD. So here students see when OSNAP command is on, as you can see here now I am selecting here line command here, line. Okay, and when OSNAP command is on, then you will get to see the points. As you can see here this is the point, here this is the midpoint. As you can see here, this is the midpoint, this is the corner point, this is the center line, center. Okay, these points you can get to see when OSNAP command is on, which will help us to draw the lines or any objects, circle or rectangle from the given or already existing the existing object. So now let's see how to on or off this OSNAP command and what is the OSNAP command. For that I am here typing the OSNAP in command bar. As you can see here, OSNAP, then clicking enter. Now this pop-up has been opened and this is the OSNAP setting the setting screen. You can see here this one. Okay, as you can see here all the points, all the object snap modes has been selected. That's why we in the previous we saw the points at the lines when we are using line command. Now here see I'm clearing all these and clicking on OK. Now I am selecting here line command. Okay, see here now there is no point. As you can see here there is no corner point I'm getting to see here, so that's I can't get the point from where I can draw the line. Okay, as you can see here there is no point to identify here the point. See here there is no midpoint I am getting to see now. So this is the drawback of now not using OSNAP command. So I am now again here typing OSNAP. Okay, OSNAP command and opening this. As you can see here this is the end point, this is midpoint, this is center point. There are various points you can select as per your requirement, or you can select all the points as by clicking select all here, and you can click check on this object snap on also and object snap tracking on also. Okay, after that you need to click on OK to save this setting. Okay, so I'm clicking on OK. Now I'm using here line command, and now you can see again we are getting here endpoints, we are getting here center point. As you can see here we can get here these points here, we can get the midpoint. So like that, this is the use of OSNAP command in AutoCAD. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.